Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's going to be a game changer in 2025, adding a new bank to your Apple Wallet. With the ever-evolving world of mobile payments, this simple process can save you time and hassle when managing your finances on the go. So, let's dive right in. First off, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update for 2025. This is crucial because Apple keeps rolling out enhancements for better security and compatibility. Once you're all set, open the Wallet app. It's that iconic app with the wallet icon on your home screen. Step 1. Tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new item. This will bring up options for cards or banks. Go ahead and select Add Card or Debit, Credit Card, as that's how banks are typically integrated. Step 2. You'll be prompted to choose your bank from a list or search for it manually. If your bank is supported in Apple Wallet for 2025, and most major ones should be, just tap on it. Step 3. Now, enter your card details. You might scan your physical card using your camera or type in the information like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Apple Wallet uses advanced tech in 2025 to make this super secure, so don't worry about your data. Step 4. Follow the verification steps. This often involves receiving a one-time code from your bank via text or email. Enter that code to confirm, and voila, your bank is added. If you encounter any hiccups, like your bank not showing up, double-check if it's partnered with Apple Pay. You can also head to your bank's app or website for direct integration. And remember, always keep your device updated for the smoothest experience. There you have it, folks. Adding a bank to Apple Wallet in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more future-proof tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.